And hello guys, we're done with the break. Guys, we've done the break and we are doing that's kind of boring.
Okay, so first step is to what? Mold the volcano.
Mold the volcano.
Okay, so while Kuya is okay, while Kuya is molding the volcano, you put the cup of water in here. Okay, right? Okay, all right. Slowly but surely. Okay, put this on the side. Put this on the side.
And next, what do we put
I think we're gonna put this next.
And then we're gonna mix it. I like the mixing part. The mixing part is gonna be so fun.
Okay, let's see. All right.
Is it wet? No. Is it wet? No.
All right, here it goes.
Oh, Grandma, that looks good. Wait, look. It's mixing. Wait, look. It's mixing. So mix it. Oh my God, mixing is literally my favorite.
Okay.
It's gas powder.
There we go. Every few grams of that white good stuff.
This one is not holding together.
Huh?
This one right here is not holding.
Let me see. Snap it together. Let me see.
I think I'm done.
So you mix it real good.
Can I touch it?
No, because we're going to what?
Can I just touch it? Let's see what it feels like. I'll mix it with my hands. We got it.
You know, Kuya, what we need is
It feels
maybe
like
a tape or a rubber band.
I feel it.
So we can
Wait,
put this
here's a rubber band.
together. Oh, there he goes. Okay. All right, so it came with it. Okay. Got so windy. Okay, I see you.
Wait, touch it. So
Okay. All right. Okay.
So
We got the rubber band figured out.
Alright.
Oh, dude, you know it's gonna get hard on your hand, and then it's gonna be cement, and then you're not gonna be able to move your hand anymore.
Let me get it out.
I don't know. Game over.
I'm gonna touch my hands.
Good luck. You can try.
Can you please open the door
Before you become a cement head. Bye. There you go, with it. Yeah, come on. Mix this good. Okay. Now we're gonna put this in here and let it probably dry up. Huh? What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. There we go. Ooh,
Oh,
good.
door. How do I?
Okay. Careful now.
Dad, now it's the next step.
Why don't you read it?